Tulod! Sige, kinahumsan. It's very low tide, aha. Hi guys! We arrived! Last year guys. Very sweet sister with Michael. Even if they fight, they love each other. Hindi ko kinakahiya yung aming bahay guys, no? Bakit ko naman kasi kinakahiya? No, because they said I'm actually with my house, with our house here, you know? Yes. Don't give it. Tony doesn't give shit, Tony. Our house before, when the first time I met Tony, he came here, it was really mess guys, and it's not like this yet. Now, medyo ganito. Pero ano yun, simento na yun, pero hindi pa yung ganito, yung walang pintura, walang mga ano-ano. Ngayon kasi, nilagyan na ng ganito, no, yung after ng bagyo yung sinira ni Odette ba? Ayan. Sila man ang Linlinda. Lavenders. Nang lavenders sila, ng lavenders. Asa naman sila? Ingon sila mag-video magkuhan kuno sila dito. Naglamaw na sila? Namora. Maglamaw daw kuno sila guys. Ano mo una magkuha nila nito ni. Oo, kana. O daghan kay miglutuan dire oh. Oh, di ba? Nganong mauwaw man kuha ni among balay. Tingnan natin dito guys, anong laman ng ating freezer. Na ganito yung ano namin kasi nung bagyo nga na ano nga to, nabasa nga ito. Oh, daming karne pa ga. Daming karne no. And ito po yung entrance ng aming so makikita nyo dito guys, ayan parang naano nga siya kasi nga nung bagyo nga nagkaganito siya. Ayan o. Ini ba? Ito naman yung kabilang kwarto. Ayan, kabilang kwarto ng kapatid ko, yung lalaki. So medyo messy siya guys kasi maraming ano kasi dito nakatira. Ito naman yung kabila. Yung kabilang kwarto. Ayan. Makikita nyo dito yan. Oh. Si Tony naman nandito. So lahat talaga to dito, lahat dito may nagtutulog dito, lahat tulog dito kasi maraming tao. Ayan oh, makita nyo. Daming tao, mga kamag-anak namin sa Leyte. And here is Tony. This is our room. Yan, room namin yan guys. Ito kami.
A few moments later.
Oh, die behind the scenes, Dali na. This is the family Dabasol. Dabasol family. Tingnan mo, daghan kayo Dabasol. Sige na. I will go. Babe, stay in the middle, babe. Asya, Michael. Babe, I will go, ha? Isa mo yung picture na to, ani? Pa, tawag kas papa. Kompres kay dito maarang. Aw nasli dikit may picture nato di ay. Video nako. Kaway pod. Going to Leyte na guys. They are all my relatives, no?
How many hours is it?
2 hours na siguro.
2 hours. So 2 hours. 3 hours.
I will go there. Let me see. Bye! Tulod! Sige, kinahumsan. It's very low tide. Aha. Meron din silang bata guys. Ago yung isa. Alam mo yung isa babe? Always ano man. Always coughing. Get vomit by the wave. Buti nga malaki nga yung sakyan nila eh. Bye-bye! Nagbabay si Isabel! Bye-bye!
Open, close.
hindi kami makasama sa kanila guys, ano sila, maglamaw sila, sayang maglamaw, yate, oy. Alas 3 lagi ang last boat.
May pagkakalimutan din ha. Mas makalimutan. Kaya naman ample pala pa ipakarga kay mo ato mo telepono. Sugato na dito. Sa ambangan man
si 20 ba?
Sige 20 ang ample.
Chat man tong balo lang sa. Asan si 20?
Kay ba na to sa iyo oy. Sa iyo. Basta makalimutan ba?
Si Ayi lagi magdalagi na mo. Oo.
Pa na to ample fire kay abangan man to.
Ah, pala sige.
Para mag 16.
16 Sige. Hey guys, maglamaw sila guys, sayang eh. Yate eh. Let's go eh. Buyers! Bye! Kami na lang naiwan guys. Kami na lang yung naiwan. Double, we're going also, we're leaving. Nice man na shoes lang. Nice shoes man na.
Also, your big sister, they have to take.
We go together with their. They're leaving as well. Guys. Si Michael dong! Mariano, si Michael ba?
Let's leave it here.
Alis na kami guys, malamangin pa naman guys, no? And si Tony, hindi na kami palit-palit kasi basa pa dito. Yeah, dito na lang muna kami. Si Ashley, naligo man lang. Ashley. Oh, that's their boat. Lola. Asya, Spita. Be careful, Asya. Be careful. We arrived na Sabel. Dagkura ba daig bawod din? You know, baby, it's very... Asya. So, ito yung bangka namin guys na ano. Ayan o, Ashley. Yan yung Ashley. Ayan o. Ha! Mo na yung Ashley. Pangalan silang among bangka kay Ashley. Hoy, halagi. Unsa man ni nako ron? Guys, we are here. Only my sister. This is our eldest sister. Is going to Mabini, Bohol.
Bye lang.
Si bye-bye Lola agin anak. Bye-bye. Bye-bye ta Lola. Unfortunately, it's like that, Dave, no? That's life. We have to really go. We have to leave. Si Lola, oh. Perché? My brother and my brother-in-law. Our ano guys, our it's not on pala po. I didn't put on. I just started now.
I did that. Take care.
Okay, ingat mo, amping mo. Nag-video-video ko, wala na naon. That's in put on na kayo dito. Yes, there. So ngayon guys, dito lang sila hinintay kasi meron silang scooter doon pauwi sa kanila. So kami no. 2 ore. Oy. Kami dito kami guys sa kabila yan. Malapit lang din naman yan. Diyan kami sa Talipon. A lot of time anak ako.
Arriviamo con la notte, arriviamo alle 10. Mezzanotte. Ito lagi na sa doon.
Wala na hana. Tokon.
Careful, oy.
No, she will just fly away, I think. My brother is there, Wanda.
Hai buttato ancora. Great, thank you.
We have to be careful, Michael.
Careful, Michael. Wait for.
So, wala masyadong tao this time, guys. O, kami lang.
No. Sì, no.
Michael, you have to wait, Michael.
No.
Hi,
Wait,
guys.
taxi, babe.
So, andito na kami, guys, no? Pupunta na kami sa, ano?
Can you check on the application?
A few moments later.
So we are very lucky talaga guys kasi nung pagdating namin ay fully booked po yung Ocean Jet papuntang Cebu, and thanks God kasi merong 3 passenger na nagpa-refund ng kanilang ticket at hindi na po sila tumuloy, kaya kinuha po namin yun guys. And ayun, so at first guys hindi talaga dapat ibigay sa amin yung 3 ticket kasi 4 kami, and yung mga bata kasi half charge na sila, no, pamasahe. And ayan, thanks God at pumayag din sila guys, kaya sabi namin kakandungin na lang si Michael, pero wala naman, hindi naman kinandong si Michael kasi may space pa rin naman guys. And andun si Tony sa kabila nagkaupo, ayan sila si Michael, ako yung sa gilid ni Michael, si Tony nandun sa kabila. Siguro hindi nakarating yung isa, yung naiwanan siguro yung isa, kaya merong space si Tony doon na upo.
Isabel, hi guys, we arrived. Dumating na kami. So, sasakay na naman kami ng taxi. And after taxi, magbabasa na naman kami.
so bad.
Michael, no, is still sleeping, Isabel.
To all our valued passengers, kindly remain seated while the vessel is still maneuvering for docking. This is strict compliance for your own safety. Once again,
A few moments later.
Hi guys! We arrived! Mama mia! It's too quick! Babe, it's too quick, baby! Only 1 hour! It's only 1 hour, guys! I don't even feel it! It's too quick! Isabel just started to sleep and we arrived. Isabel cried because I have to put her in the carrier.
Unfortunately, to go there, we missed this one.
See, last
5
time.
hours to get to there.
See,
Compared to it's not like 1 hour is the trip, but then we left what time? 1:15
where?
from the island.
See, we left on the island. Come here na, come here na. So ayun na guys, kasi nagutom si Ase and Michael kasi kanina hindi sila kumain kasi puro karne yung nasa bahay. And they want to eat Jollibee. So let's see guys if they have Jollibee here. But there is something there, babe, that you can choose. Maybe they want something.
What?
Oh, maybe they want
chicken there. Oh.
But chicken is different from baboy. White meat. Welcome back to Cebu, guys. Hi. Finally, we are in the bus. Huh? Kabayo. There's kabayo. Sila kanina sabi. No, Anna, we have to sleep. We just arrived here in Malboal and as you can see, we are walking. Because
it's 5 minutes.
But anyway, our house is just too close. It's 5 minutes, guys. But just because of the kids, we asked to get a tricycle. But the tricycle, you know how much they charge us to go there. First, they asking us 150, no? And now he said the 100. But we said, we told them that, Kuya, but we are not. I said, Kuya, we are not a tourist here. So, alam nyo guys, kasi they are taking advantage, you know, with the foreigners. And the other guy said, yeah, we have the same experience before. He said the other guy is asking us too much. And then there, they are going near to Panagsama, babe. Where is the French bakery? They're asking 200 pesos. And then they said, okay, I'll give you 120 pesos. It's too much. Kaya mag-ingat-ingat kayo pag pumunta kayo dito sa Malboal or kahit anong tourist place kasi ang mga tao dito karamihan ay nagti-take advantage. Dapat hindi natin yun tinutulot yung mga taong ganun kung magkaas sila ng price. Hindi kayong huwag kayong mahiyang maghingi ng magsabi sa kanila kasi karapatan natin yun, guys. Bis pobre na tayo, mamulubi pa tayo lalo, ganun. Kasi sila ba, nagti-take advantage sila sa mga tao. Kaya hindi talaga hindi maganda yung ganung ng mga driver pa. So saya na guys, kaya umiyak kasi Isabel guys, si last year guys. Michael Ignacio. She's very, very sweet sister, you know. Very, very sweet sister with Michael. Even if they fight, they love each other. Arrived na?
No, I left
Guys,
the
we
back.
finally arrived. Mamma mia. We arrived, guys. Not even 10 minutes. We arrived home. And then the guy is asking us 150 pesos for the tricycle. Hoy, mamulubi in taon nila, no?
We report him to the barangay.
Si Tony, we will report him to the barangay. So, andito pa yung scooter naman nila. Sabi kasi namin, Kuya, we are not a tourist, ha? You cannot, pull us. No, babe? Because they are taking advantage with the foreigner. They thought that we are, that we can just pay what they want, no? Crazy. Okay, thank you so much. Finally, after long viaggio. Not even long, not same as before, no?
7 hours compared to 12 to go.
Pabalik, mabilis lang kami. Pabalik.
They are tired. They are so sleepy. Okay, you can wash your feet and go to bed. I'm not gonna change the things, okay? I'm gonna change the the sheets tomorrow.
And what is the baby boy?
Let me see. Show. Michael. Ciao, guys.